Go to the 6-wheeler.
Which one?
The 6.
Oh, the 060?
The 060.
The low one?
Yeah, B&O. B&O had 4 662.
But the T1 is 404, right?
Yeah, the T1's a 484. Pennsylvania had articulated 4444.
We're spinning its wheels. That's why. Does this have rubber traction?
Nah.
They didn't think of it back then, huh? Couldn't you fit a rubber wheel on it if you wanted to?
Oh, they have rubber wheels. Well, yeah, that's a 46. The 484.
But couldn't you take one of those wheels and put it on there and you buy rubber wheels?
I don't know.
I bet you if you did that, that'll pull a lot. Do you have a wheel puller?
Yeah, I gotta get one.
They made it for this for hobby training?
Yeah.
Where do you buy it?
Not me. In the magazines. You're moving around too much for you. You don't move. You let the camera do the. You let the train do the moving, not the camera. It's going to look like an earthquake. Yeah, let's put the real steamer on. You ready? Let's put the real steamer on. Let's bring this one around. And let's put the real steamer. Are you ready for the real steamer?
We're ready.
This one will blow your socks off. Then the only thing I haven't ran is the hand car.
Are you going to run
So
this
let's
one?
get another angle. Let's move this down here now.
Yeah, let's not get so, yeah.
That angle's going to get old. Oh.
Is it off?
No.
That's what's for.
Okay.
Okay, let's
That's a good shot of your butt.
Right with auto.
Autofocus. Where's your zoom? Oh, here's your zoom.
Is it recording?
Uh-huh. I think.
Doesn't say record.
Okay, here we have the American Flyer hand car. Go any faster? Just slow it down for some video action. Okay, there you go. It's the American Flyer hand car. Whoops. Okay. Good.
under the bridge, Dave.
The one I do it right.
Okay, let's get it's hard to see because of the white wall down there.
Oh, is the battery going bad?
No, I'm saying the smoke against the brick wall, you can't see the smoke.
On.
Maybe
Oh.
maybe in coloring when you can.
Oh, put a board back here?
Pull it over to this strip.
All right. You need a new battery?
Yeah, it says battery.
I'm right here.
Yeah, there you go. That's a little better. All right, let's let her smoke there, and we'll zoom in on it. Yeah, it looks good. Then when you couple with this one,
I think that wasn't.
okay.
You had enough?
Yeah.
I'm getting nauseous now.
All right, that's a wrap.
Oh.